So what is up guys, welcome to HD Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, I have made lots of videos regarding Xiaomi's Redmi Note 9 and the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So guys, in today's video I am going to be giving you the latest updates regarding the specifications, regarding the processor and everything you need to know about Xiaomi's upcoming Redmi Note 9. So guys, today's video is going to be very exciting. So if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem and Android world, then consider subscribing to our channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, I have already made lots of videos regarding Xiaomi's Redmi Note 9 and the Redmi Note 9 Pro, and recently Xiaomi's Redmi Note 8 Pro is a definite one of the best smartphones in the budget, starting at the pricing of 15,000 Indian rupees. Xiaomi's Redmi Note 8 and the Redmi Note 8 Pro are incredible smartphones as of for now, and also Realme, Vivo, Oppo all have started to enter into this game of budget end smartphones. So guys, Xiaomi also want to innovate a lot because all other smartphones in the mid-range or in the budget segment are having Amoled displays, and Xiaomi is using IPS LCD display. Again, Xiaomi's IPS LCD display is a great display, but again, if Xiaomi will implement the Amoled display, that will be great. And according to the recent reports, it is confirmed that Xiaomi is indeed working behind the Amoled displays for the upcoming Note generation. So if we will see Amoled display with the Redmi Note 9 and the Redmi Note 9 Pro, I think this will be a steal of a deal. So guys, now let me come to the main key highlight of this smartphone, and that is regarding the camera. This smartphone is going to be featuring a 108 megapixel camera sensor by Sony. Yes guys, directly 108 megapixels. No 48 megapixel or 64 megapixels, but directly 108 megapixel main sensor. The Xiaomi's Mi 10 is having the 108 megapixel sensor, and again the upcoming Redmi Note generation is going to be having that, and followed by 4 other cameras. It is expected the 20 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and there are going to be all other 3 cameras like a macro camera, a 2 times telephoto lens, and a 10 times or 5 times telephoto lens. That is not confirmed yet, but what is confirmed is 108 megapixel camera with the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So guys, with the camera, Xiaomi is also going to be focusing a lot on the display technology. So guys, Xiaomi till today have all the smartphones with the Retina IPS display. Okay, they are using the IPS LED display technology, and that might be good for many people, but just they are focusing a lot, and they are going to be implementing a 6.7 inch AMOLED display. Yes guys, a 6.7 inch. This is the first smartphone by Xiaomi to feature such a big display, and also it is going to be an AMOLED. The refresh rate of this smartphone is expected to be around 60 Hz as normal, but there are few sources that say that the refresh rate is going to be somewhere around 90 Hz. So I think it's great move by Xiaomi, and like overall this makes lot of sense. So guys, now let me come to the third key highlight of this smartphone, and that is regarding the processor. Well, this smartphone is not featuring the Snapdragon 855 Plus or Snapdragon 865 processor. This smartphone is featuring Snapdragon 735. Okay, this might not be the latest or the greatest Snapdragon processor ever, but again, like combining the greatest thing. Okay, you're getting great refresh rate, you're getting great battery life, you're getting great display. So overall, there is no need for a lot big processor. Okay, like there is a minor difference between the Snapdragon 730 and 735, and there is again a minor difference between Snapdragon 735 and so on. So guys, with this smartphone, you're getting all of the great specifications. You're getting a great refresh rate display, you're getting a 108 megapixel main camera followed by 4 other cameras, and you're getting a 32 megapixel selfie camera, and also you're getting the Snapdragon 735 processor with it. So guys, overall this is a great package to buy. If you're thinking to buy the Redmi Note 8 Pro, or just you're stuck between any other smartphones, you can definitely wait for this smartphone. And now comes the question that when is this smartphone actually getting launched? So guys, the estimated launch time of this smartphone is 2nd week of February. Yes guys, next year in 2020, in the 2nd week of February, you're going to be seeing this smartphone, and I think this makes perfect sense. For the pricing somewhere around 16,000 to 18,000 Indian rupees, I think this is a great smartphone to buy, and hope you have liked today's video. If you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem and Android world, then consider subscribing to our channel, as it motivates me a lot to bring you like this beautiful content. So I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.